How about this? 100% immersion, maximum realism. This is Mo inside of that Zuckerberg future. Instead, I gave him the option. I gave him the Disney option.
I went with the Disney option.
Yeah, but reluctantly.
Okay.
So Zuckerberg's future, here you go. It's 56 seconds of maximum immersion. Realistic whiplash. So you're driving the racing game. Bam!
Oh, you crash in the game in the chair?
Right into the steering wheel. There it is. Okay. Now, what if it's a horseback? What if you're on a horse in the game? Well, we need that to be realistic as well. So what are we going to do? We're going to put actuators on the desk and on the chair. So you can get the real experience, Mo, of just a relaxing
Such a small room,
is so
too.
evening.
funny.
Here we have realistic gun recoil. Wow. Shotgun, you're gonna think of it differently, and a realistic flashbang in a dark room.
Oh, that doesn't.
Actually, that's what happens
funny.
to people that are watching this show late at night when Will cuts to his camera.
It's like 70% the back of his monitor.
I'm like in heaven.
It is a huge complaint that we get is that your background is too bright.
Yeah.
I thought it was cool to have the dichotomy of it, but as it turns out,
Yours is black. Mine's like blackish gray.
yeah. Well, what's going to have to happen eventually is he's going to have to move eventually. He has to be more right there, okay? And you go like maybe there,
Okay.
or we flip the whole thing, but this is
And
where
then we have these type of chairs that we sit in.
that's right. And then we have full immersion as well, but at least we can get rid of people's flashbangs if we move Will just a little bit that way.